We're ready.
This is call number 2020-14300 in the interest of Isabella Galloway. Please, parties, raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Ms.
Yes.
Galloway? All right.
Yes, sorry, I was making sure you're talking to me.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Kristen Galloway, I'm her mother.
And for the state?
Marcella Turner.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Roberto Javier Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez was served on April 24th, 2020 at 10:59 a.m. at 4250 Highway 202 DCJ in Beeville, B County, Texas. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct, Miss Turner?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default, and the court will take note that the DNA test report would indicate that Roberto Gonzalez is not excluded as the biological father of Isabella Galloway, the child is subject to this suit. I'll also note that there was further notice of this Zoom hearing given to Mr. Gonzalez by certified mail, which was delivered December 14th, 2020. All right, let's proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state calls Ms. Galloway. Ms. Galloway, could you please state the name of the child before the court today and her age?
Isabella Grace Galloway, she's 2.5.
And have you had an opportunity to view the genetic testing report, the DNA testing?
Yes, I did.
And are you asking this court to establish the parent-child relationship between Mr. Gonzalez and your child?
Yes.
And where is Mr. Gonzalez today?
He's incarcerated.
And do you know the expected date of release as of today's date?
His maximum sentence is October 12th, 2021.
And are you asking this court to order that the last name of your child, Isabella, be changed to reflect Mr. Gonzalez's last name?
Yes.
And are you asking this court to appoint you and Mr. Gonzalez as joint managing conservators and designate you as the conservator who determines the child's primary residence within Harris or any of the counties?
Yes.
And you are not seeking possession and access orders at this current moment due to Mr. Gonzalez's incarceration today. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you understand that child support and medical support will both be set to zero due to his incarceration. Is that also correct?
Yes.
Has there ever been any has there ever been any family violence to occur between yourself and Mr. Gonzalez?
No.
And do you have any safety concerns with Mr. Gonzalez having your address?
No.
And to your knowledge, does Mr. Gonzalez have any other children under the age of 18 other than this child?
Yes.
And does he have a child support obligation for that child?
Yes.
And are you requesting retroactive child support, medical support, or dental support? That's also known as back child support, medical and dental support.
No, I'm not.
And do you believe this order to be in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
And are you asking this court to approve this order, this default?
Yes.
No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
May we be
you.
excused?
Yes, thank you.
You.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good
Yes,
day.
ma'am.
You too.
We got a new president.